Welcome back, everyone. So, in the part one, we have studied choose the correct answer and the one word answer. In the part two, we will study 2 marks questions. In this session, we will study 2 marks question. There are 8 questions are there. We will study in this case. 17th one question: prove that 3 plus root 5. So, 3 plus root 5 is an irrational number. First, let us assume. Let us assume 3 plus root 5 is a rational number. Rational number. 3 plus root 5 is a rational number. So P and Q are the co-primes. So P and Q are co-primes. Primes. So here then P by Q and Q is not equals to 0. So the Q should not be 0. If Q is 0, it will not become a fraction. It will become integers numbers. So next, then, so take the values 3 plus root 5 is equals to P by Q. Next, you send the plus 3 into right side. It becomes a root 5 is equals to P by Q plus 3 will become minus 3. So now there is a fraction, this is a number, just cross multiply this number. So root 5 is equals to P whole divided by Q, and Q plus 3 become minus 3Q. So assumption P minus 3Q by Q is a rational number, but root 5 is a irrational number. Therefore, 3 plus root 5 is a irrational number. So this is the answer for prove that an irrational 3 plus root 5 is a irrational number. Next is, what is composite number? Composite number means very easy. Composite number which have two factors, which have two and more than two factors, that is called as composite number. More than two factors, that is called composite number. Which one is the composite number among the 23 and 24? So 23 is a, see, 23 can be divided with the 23 factor, and also it can be divided with the 1. So only two factors are there. If two factors are there, that is called as prime number. If two factors are there, it is called prime numbers. So one more number they given, that is 24. So 24 can be divided with many factors. See, it can be divided with 2 and 2 ones are 2 twos are, so 2 6 are 2 3s are 3 ones are. These are the factors. Other numbers can be divided with 24. 24 factors are 1, 2, and it can be divided with 3. It can be divided with 4, 6, and 8, and then 12 and 24. So here 1 24 are 2 12 are 3 8 are 4 6 are 6 4 are 8 3 are 12 twos are 24 ones are. So these are the factors of 24. So this way it is called as composite number. So which is the composite number among 23 and 24 is 24 is the composite number and 23 is the prime number. I think to understand this concept, let's move on to another uh, OR question, that is state the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Fundamental theorem of arithmetic. So every integer, so every integers, every integer greater than one can be can be represented can be represented as a product of as a can be represented as a product of prime can be represented as a product of prime numbers product of prime numbers. This is called fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Every integers greater than 1 can be represented as a product of prime number. Suppose if we take a one number, that is, write the composite number which has 7 and 3 as its only prime factors. See this, if we take it 210, if you factorize this one, so 2 ones are 0, 2 fives are. So next 3 threes are 3 fives are 15. Next 5 sevens are, so 7 ones are. So these are the factors. So what are the factors? 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. So here, here 3 and see 3 and 7. 3 and 7 are the prime numbers. 3 and 7 are the prime numbers of these questions. So 7 and 3. I think you understand this concept. Let's move on. Next question, that is find the 21st find the 21st term. See 21st term. So we don't know the terms. The first term is 5, second term is 9, third term is 13, and so on. We don't know the 31st term. This is the first term. This is the second term. This is the third term, and we have to identify the 21st term. So we can write like this also, 21st term. So T 21st term we have to identify. T 21st term. So what are the given first term? First term is A is equal to 5. And we know that D is equal to T2 minus T1. Second term minus first term, that is 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. So put the values here. T21 we can write it as A plus 20D. So A means 5 plus 20 into D means 4. So first we have to multiply. 4 twos are 8. So it becomes 80 plus 5. The answer for this question is 85. Answer for this question is 85. So is equals to 85. So 21st term is 85. 21st term is 85. Next, we move on to another question. Solve the pair of linear equation by elimination method. So they asked in the elimination method, you have to do it in elimination method. X plus y is equals to 4 and 2x plus y equals to 6. So by eliminating, so just change the symbol. So here plus is there. So here plus is there. Plus into plus, minus. So plus into plus. So plus. So here plus symbol is there. So write the opposite symbol. So minus. So here plus is there. Write the opposite symbol, minus. So plus into minus, minus. So plus into minus, minus. You have to subtract 2x minus x is, it becomes x. So it will get cancelled. So equals to. So minus into plus, minus. Bigger number sign is minus. 6 minus 4 is 2. So minus minus cancel. So x is equal to 2. So we got the value x is equal to 2. You put the values in any one equation that become we get the y. So x plus y is equal to 4. So y is equal to 4 minus x. So 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2. So we got, I think we got the equation. Next. Next is if a quadratic equation, if a quadratic equation, if a quadratic equation that is ax square plus bx plus 9 is equals to 0 has two equal real root. So equal real root means that is delta should be is equals to 0. Two equal real roots. Then find the equation if b is less than 1. So b is less than 1 means what? So our answer should be less than 0. Less than 0 means we should answer it should be minus 1 or minus 2 or answer should be minus negative value. We should get the value answer in negative. So here what the given equation x square so plus bx plus 9 is equal to 0. So ax equals to 1. So what here 1. So b is equals to b and c is equals to 9. C is equals to 9. So what is the formula to identify the discriminant? So delta is equals to b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac. So delta is equals to b means b square minus 4 into a means 1 into c means 9. So is equals to b square minus 9 for the 36. So here we take this one into left side. So it becomes 36 is equals to b square. So now multiply the square into right side. It becomes b is equals to plus or minus root 36. So b is equals to plus 6. 36 is 6. Also b is equals to minus 6. Our answer may be plus 6 or minus 6. But what they have done b is less than 1. B is less than 1. So you have to consider minus 6. Now put the values this equation into this equation. It becomes b is equal to minus 6. So x square minus x square minus bx plus 9 is equals to 0 x square. So b means minus 6 minus 6x plus 9 equals to 0. This is the quadratic equation. I think you got this equation. So next we move on to another equation that is based on section formula. Based on section formula. So what they given? The given things are find the coordinate of the point which divides the line segment joining the point. So what are they given? A. So A is equals to 1 comma minus 3. A is 1 comma minus 3 and the B is 4. B is 8 comma 5. B is 8 comma 5 and the given the ratio is 3 is to 1. So what is this? This one will become x1. This is y1, x2 and this is y2. This is m1 and m2. So what is the formula to calculate section? That is x of p of x comma y is open bracket that is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Negative plus now for the values. So p of x comma y is m1 is 3. M1 is 3. X2 is see the values. So x2 is x2. So into m1 into x2 is 8. So plus m2 is 1 into x1 is 1. So divided by 3 plus 1, m1 plus m2. So come. So m1 is 3 into y2 is 5 plus m2 is 1 into y1 is minus 3. So divided by 3 plus 1 bracket close. So next step we simplify this one. So what we get? We get the x and y value we get. So p of x comma y. So bracket 3 8 3 is 24. 24 plus 1 is 25. 25 by 3 plus 1 is 4. Comma 8 3 is 15. 15. So plus into minus 3 ones are 3 divided by 4. So here we can simplify again. So the 24 by 4 comma 15 minus 3 is 12 by 4. 4 3 is up. So answer is 25 by 4 comma 3 is the answer for this question. So next we move on to another important question, that is 23. In the figure x y is a tangent. See, the x point and the y point is tangent at the point P point. So to the circle with the center O, this is the center O. So OP is what? Radius. So OP is radius. So O is the center, OP is the radius, and XY is the tangent which is pointed on P. So Q is the point on XY. So this is a point. This is a Q point. This point on XY. Show that. So show that OQ is greater than OP. So we should draw one line. So O to Q, we have to draw one line. So mark it here C point. So just imagine this is a point. So OP is radius. Then what about OC? OC is also radius. So OC is smaller than OQ, right? OQ is bigger than OC. That's why you have to prove. So the radius OP is smaller than OQ. So let's we will start what they given, what we have to prove. We have to prove. We have to prove OQ is greater than OP. OQ line is greater than OP. So this line is greater than this line, radius. So that we have to prove. Next, construction. Construction. What we made construction? Construction. Construction. What we made construction? Construction. Joining O to Q. O to Q and mark a point, that is C point. We mark a point C. Prove what they given now. So proof. What a proof, that is see OC is equals to OP. OC and OP are what? Radius. OP and OC are radius. And now, so OQ is equal to OQ. See, this is O to Q. This point, O to Q. O to Q. This line is there in O to Q. This is O to Q is O to Q is equals to, we have to add OC plus CQ. So we have to add OC. First you have to add OC, then you have to add CQ. Then it becomes OQ. So therefore, OQ is greater than OP. OQ is greater than OP. This is very easy and very simple problem they given. So next, we move on to 24th question. The toy. So they given what is the toy in the form of cone with a radius 3.5 centimeter mounted on hemisphere of a same radius. First we have to draw one model. This is a cone. Just imagine this is a cone. It is mounted on hemisphere. So draw a hemisphere. Okay. This is height. This is radius. Okay. So the radius of the cone, so directly the given radius of the cone is 3.5. So height of the hemisphere also 3.5, because circle means radius is same in all the places, 3.5, 3.5, 3.5. So what they given total height of the toy. So from here to here, what's the total height? The total height is 15.5 centimeter. 15.5 centimeter. Then what is height of a cone? Height of a cone is, see, 15.5. So total height. Total height of a toy. Total height minus hemisphere height. Subtract. If you subtract, total height minus hemisphere height, you will get the height of a cone. Height of a cone. Height of a cone is equals to height minus hemisphere height. Hemisphere height. So total height is 15.5 centimeter minus hemisphere height is 3.5 centimeter. So if we subtract, we will get how much? We will get 2. So 1 to 12 centimeter. So 12 centimeter is what height of a cone. So here we have to write 12 centimeter. So now we have to identify. So what they identify? Total surface area. Total surface area means we have to identify CSA. CSA. Before identify CSA, we have to identify the slant height. This is slant height. This is height. This is radius. So what is the formula to identify slant height? Slant height. So that is L square is equal to H square plus R square. So L is equal to root of H square plus R square. So what is L is equal to root of H square means, that is 12 square plus R square means 3.5 square. So next L is equal to root of 12 square means 144 plus 3.5. Just imagine 3.5. 5 square is 25. 5 square is 25. What is the next number of 3? Next number of 3 is 4. 3 4s are 12. So point is the point. That is 12.25. 12.25. So if you add these two numbers, L is equal to root of, if you add these two numbers, we will get 156.25. So we have to take out this number from the square root. Square root makana. We have to take that number outside. So 156.25 by division method. So this two are one pair, this two are one pair, remaining one is 1. So 1 is a, so we should write 2 times 2. 1 is 1. So if we subtract 0, we have to bring this to number 56. Next number we can take 2. See 2 right here. And also one more time we have to write. So 2 is a 4. And 2 is a 4. Subtract 2, 1. Next we have to bring these two numbers down. So before bringing these two numbers, there is a decimal point is there. You should write the decimal point. It become 5, 25. Okay. Now add this number 4, 2, 4, 2. 1 minute. 4, 4, 2, 2, 4. Next to which number will take a 5. So 5 here also we should take 5. So 5 is a 25. So 2 carry 5 4 is a 20. 20 plus 2 is 22. 2 carry 5 2 is a 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. So answer is 0. So what is the perfect square is 12.5. So L is equal to 12.5 centimeter. So this is the slant height we find. So we find what we have find. So L we find and H they given, R they given, and what they given. So we have to identify the total surface area. So we have to identify find the total surface area. Total surface area. So what is the total surface area formula? Total surface area is equal to total surface area is equal to CSA of a, what is there, cone is there, 1 plus CSA of a hemisphere is there, hemisphere. CSA of a cone formula is pi r L plus CSA of a hemisphere. What is the formula for CSA of a hemisphere is CSA of a hemisphere is 3 pi r square, 3 pi r square. What is the, what we can take the common? This is surface area. Surface area means TSF. TSF hemisphere 3 pi r square. So what we can take common? There is a, we can take common is pi, or we can take common pi r. So what's remaining? L plus 3r. That's the remaining. Next, next is pi value is 22 by 7. R is radius is 3.5. We can write as 7 by 2. So and L means that is 12.5. So L is 12.5 plus 12.5 into 3 into, sorry, this is 2. CSA formula CSA. This 2 pi r square. 2 pi r square. So 2 into 3.5. 2 into 3.5. So here 7 get cancelled. 2 11s are get cancelled. So 11 into, so 3.5 2s are, that is 7 plus 12.5. 12.5. The answer would be 11 into 19.5. 19.5 into 11 is, so we'll get 214.5 centimeter. This is the total surface area of a toy. Total surface area of a, total surface area of a toy. Total surface area of a toy. Total surface area of a toy is 2145. I think you understand this problem. So first we have to identify the height of a cone. Then we have to identify the slant height. Then we identify the total surface area of a point, that is CS of a cone and CS of a hemisphere. So pi r length and 2 pi r. So here also we have to write 2 r. Then we take a common pi r. Then we simplify, we get to 214.5. So next, volume of a hemisphere. Volume of a hemisphere. So what is the formula to calculate volume of a hemisphere? So directly the given volume of a hemisphere is, formula for volume of a hemisphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of a hemisphere 4 by 3 pi r cube is equals to 539 by 3. So here is equal to the right side and left side, 3 get cancelled. What's the remain? 4 pi r cube is equal to 539. 539. So here put the values. So 4 into 22 by 7 into r cube is equal to 539. 539. So now we send it to right side. Send these values into right side. So what it become? R cube. It become R cube is equals to 539. So divided by 7 is there. When it comes to right side, it becomes into 7. Into 7 divided by 4 into 22. 4 into 22. So it can be cut on by 9. Cut on by 9. So 5. Okay. 11. 2 so 11. 4 is 44. 6 plus 3, 9. 99. 11 9s. So 2. Okay. Remaining. So 4. 4. 4 can be cut on here by 6. 4 1s 4. So 4 2s 8. So what's remaining? 1 is remaining. 4. 1 is remaining. It becomes 10. 4 2s 8.5. So again you can divide with the 2. 2 6 12. 2 6 2 6 12. Point. So 2 1s 2. and 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 fives are 10. So into 7, into 7. So R cube is equal to, R cube is equal to, R cube is equal to, if you multiply 6.125 into 7, we get R, we get, we get, so much we get 3 fives are, 3 fives are 50, 35, 3 carry, 7 twos are 14, 14 plus 3 is 17, 1 carries 7, 7 plus 8, so 7 6 sevens are 42. So if you prime factorize this term, prime factorize, so 42 875 prime factorization, and we select the cube number, we should select the cube number, so prime factorization and write the cube number. So here R is equal to cube root of 4 2.875. So prime factor is this one. So it can be divided 3, 3, 3. Okay. 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 We'll go with 5. 5. 5 8s are 40. 2 carry, it becomes 28. 5 5s are 25. 3 carry. 5 3s are 35. 5 5s are 25. Okay. Next. 5 1s are 5. As remaining, 3 is remaining, it becomes 35. 5 7s are 35. So what is become 0. 5 7s are 35. So next number what we can take, next number is we can take 3. So 3 3 5s are 50. 3 5s are 50. So 2 is remaining. So 3 6 are 18. This is 18. 3 9s are. Next 3 3 1s are 3. It can divide with 3. Okay. 3 ones are 3. 2 is remaining. 3 eights are 24. 2 is remaining. Okay. 3 3 3 3 nines are. Okay. It cannot divide with 2. So we will do once again. Once again we will make this problem correctly. Okay. If you take cube root, this one will get 3.5 centimeter. 3.5 centimeter. So this is the value of R. This is the value of R. So put the values in. What they have to identify, we have to identify, find the surface area. Find the surface area. What is the formula to calculate the surface area of a surface area formula? Surface area. Surface area. What's the formula to calculate surface area? Surface area is surface area. Surface area formula is what is CSA. 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 What is that formula to calculate CSA? CSA of a weight. Wait 1 minute. We share this one. This one. And we are last problem, we are in last problem. So here, okay, CSA. What's the formula to calculate CSA? CSA of a sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. So 4 into pi value is 22 by 7, and r value, r is becomes 3.5, right? 3.5. So we can write this decimal in the form of fraction, that is that is 3.5 into 2 that becomes 7 by 2. So we can write 7 by 2. So into 7 by 2. So here it can be cut on 2 2s. So 2 2s are get cancelled. 7, 7 get cancelled. What's the remaining? 22 sevens are. So CSA of a sphere, CSA of a sphere is equals to 22 into 7. 7 to the 14, 4 will carry, 4 plus 1, 5. So 154 is the CSA of a sphere, that is centimeter square. Thank you.